What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to get your free airdrop from Magically Marketplace. That's a pro analytic marketplace by Alpha Shark NFT. And if you don't know what's an Alpha Shark NFT, Alpha Shark is basically NFT alpha tools, community, reveal sniping, real-time chart, mass bidding, NFT dashboard, and it's powered by Alpha Versus Studio. So if we go back here, it looks like this is their new marketplace and they are dropping those crates. So you can claim those crates as long as you have done any kind of either purchasing or selling NFTs on your wallet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And you only have 24 hours to claim those crates. So if you're watching this video later, it's maybe already too late for airdrop 1, but they also gonna have airdrop 2, and I'll show you in a minute. And if you would like to read more about this specific marketplace and airdrop, what you can do, you can go to this website right here, and I'm gonna leave link in the description below, and you can read their white paper. And also I think you can, if you scroll down, you can find this white paper on their Twitter post. So this is their white paper. You can just read through and find more info about it and exactly what those crates gonna do. But in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to claim them. So we have to go to magically.gg website, and then we need to connect our wallet. So I'm gonna connect my wallet really quick, MetaMask, and then we need to press on next and then connect. Once it's gonna connect, you'll have to verify your signature. So it's gonna request, and then you're just gonna have to press on sign button, the one's gonna pop up right now, right here, and that's it. Then it's gonna validate the signature, and then you're gonna have to agree to terms and conditions, and then press on get started. Then right here on the top right corner you see airdrop, so we need to press on that, and then this is gonna appear. We need to press on claim airdrop, and then we need to claim it right here. And hopefully you're gonna be able to claim before this time is gonna run out. But if it will, it's not too late. I think to qualify for airdrop 2, I'm not exactly sure what's the procedures or what exactly you need to do to qualify for airdrop 2, but they have one. And this looks like similar concept that Blur was doing earlier or last year with their crates drop. So we're gonna press on claim now, and now it's gonna scan. It's gonna find all the items that you sold or you bought in the past 6 months. And for example, if you have or you traded for more than 2 ETH, then you're going to be able to claim total 4. And if it's less than 2 ETH, you're only going to be able to claim 3 crates. So we'll press on a claim now. And as you can see, I was able to claim 3 of them. I got 3 of them. And now if I'm going to retweet this one, I'll be able to get a bonus crate. And now I'm just going to go and I'm going to have to retweet this tweet right here, and I'm also gonna like it. And then if I'm gonna go back here, so as you can see, crates can be revealed starting February 10, 2023. And then as you can see right here, there is airdrop 2. So I'm not entirely sure how airdrop 2 is gonna work. You probably can either go to their Discord or maybe read on their white paper, but as of right now I haven't done research. See, it just says coming soon. If you missed airdrop 1, I think you'll still have opportunity to airdrop 2, so don't miss on that. I'm not exactly sure what they're gonna word and how they're gonna be used. I'm sure everything is stated in their white paper, but this is just a quick video how to claim your airdrop crate from Alpha Shark Tools NFT. And good luck to everybody, and if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.